morning, Ron Ananian The Car Doctor. We're getting the day started here in the shop. A tale of two motor oils, both 5W30 Mobil ones, right? Great oil, full synthetic. They talk about mileage claims, extended performance, and so forth, and how long you can go on your oil change. But these 530s are very different. This 530, well, here, let me show you this. Danny, can you look at the back of this bottle? Can you zoom, right, API, what does that mean? ILSAC GF6A, API, SP, SN, SN Plus, and all that? Same thing here, right? What's the difference? The difference on this one is Dexos1. This has a Dexos rating, meaning it meets General Motors specifications. This one does not. This one, if you read the back of the bottle, it talks about Ford and Chrysler. This one talks about Ford and General Motors. Read the bottle. Not all oils are the same. Just because the viscosities are the same doesn't mean the oil is the same or it's rated for the vehicle. Or the rating, right? The ratings are the same. This has a little bit of a different additive package than this one. Ford Chrysler, Ford GM. Just pay attention, okay? A tale of two oils. I'm Ron Ananian The Car Doctor. I wanted you to get your day started with that. It's all about the oil. It's all about what's inside. It's all about what's on the back of the bottle. I'll see you guys on radio.
Did you miss this week's full broadcast of Ron Ananian The Car Doctor? Or maybe you want to hear certain parts of it all over again. Well, it's easy to do. Once the show airs, it then becomes a podcast. You can find it through all major podcast players and media: iHeartMedia, Google, Amazon Music, Spotify, and so much more. Use your favorite search engine and ask for Ron Ananian Podcast. Watch what happens next. Need more Ron? That's okay. Look for Ron Ananian, available via podcast, wherever podcasts are found.